Welcome to the top best. The best mechanical keyboard is probably one of the most satisfying investments you can make for your desk setup. Today, we're diving deep into the world of full-size mechanical keyboards, exploring what makes them click, clack, and ultimately, the best choice for your typing and gaming needs. We'll cover everything from the satisfying feel of different switches to the importance of build quality and extra features. Number 5. HyperX Alloy Origins Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard features HyperX mechanical switches, rated for an impressive 80 million keystrokes. It ensures durability and responsiveness for all your gaming needs. The keyboard is built with a full aircraft-grade aluminum body. This provides a sturdy and reliable foundation, ensuring it can withstand intense gaming sessions. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around. Plus, the detachable cable adds to its portability, making it perfect for gamers on the go. Enjoy dazzling RGB lighting with dynamic effects. You can customize the lighting to match your style and create an immersive gaming atmosphere. With HyperX Ingenuity software, you have advanced customization options. You can personalize the keyboard to your exact preferences. It offers 3 adjustable keyboard angles for your comfort. Find the perfect angle to reduce strain during long gaming sessions. The keyboard has onboard memory for 3 profiles. Save your custom settings and take them with you wherever you go. What we like. This keyboard boasts a full aircraft-grade aluminum body, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Its dynamic RGB lighting with customizable effects will elevate your gaming setup. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines style, portability, and performance, you should consider this one. What people say. The keyboard has a solid build quality. The switches feel great and responsive. The keycaps are made of good quality material. Number 4. Redragon K556 RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Introducing the Redragon K556, a true hot-swappable keyboard. This innovative design makes switch replacement easy, with a unique socket structure for a secure fit. It's a game-changer for keyboard customization. The K556 boasts a sturdy aluminum metal board with a brushed surface. This not only provides stability but also adds an elegant touch to your desk. Enjoy a premium typing experience with this solid build. This keyboard features hot-swappable brown switches, compatible with most switch types. These tactile mechanical switches offer soft key travel for easy registration. You can easily modify or update it to your liking. Experience vibrant RGB backlighting with up to 20 preset modes. Adjust the brightness and speed directly on the keyboard. Customize it to match your style and enhance your gaming setup. Take control with the available software to create custom modes and effects. Design macros with different key bindings for efficient work and gaming. Expand your options and personalize your experience. What we like. This keyboard features true hot-swappable switches, allowing for easy customization. The aluminum base provides a solid and elegant feel. If you enjoy personalizing your keyboard and appreciate a premium typing experience, it's a great choice. What people say. The keyboard has a solid build quality. The switches feel great and provide a satisfying typing experience. The RGB lighting is vibrant and customizable. Number 3. Redragon K668 RGB Mechanical Keyboard. This keyboard features hot-swappable red switches, compatible with most switch types. These linear mechanical switches offer a quiet and smooth typing experience. The 3.5mm sound-absorbing foam ensures clear and crisp sound. With a full 108-key layout, including anti-ghosting technology, you can press multiple keys simultaneously. The addition of 4 extra shortcut keys provides added convenience and practicality for your daily use. Enjoy up to 19 preset backlighting modes directly from the keyboard. You can adjust the brightness and speed, and even use the music sync mode for a dynamic light show. It's a great way to enhance your gaming setup. The keyboard's 2-stage adjustable feet provide comfortable typing angles, reducing wrist strain. The mixed-color keycaps add a personalized touch. Every time you play the game, it can be a different experience. Customize your experience with the available software. Design your own modes and effects, and create macros with different key bindings for more efficient work in gaming. The software expands the possibilities. What we like. This keyboard offers hot-swappable red switches for a quiet and linear typing experience. The extra 4 hotkeys add convenience and practicality. If you like a comfortable and customizable keyboard with extra functionality, you should consider this one. What people say. The keyboard has a solid build quality. The switches feel great and responsive. The RGB lighting is vibrant and customizable. Number 2. Redragon K688 3-mode Gasket RGB mechanical keyboard. This Redragon keyboard offers versatile connectivity. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired modes. You can connect up to 5 devices simultaneously and switch between them easily. The keyboard features hot-swappable sockets and comes with pre-lubed cream switches. These switches provide a smooth keystroke feel and a creamy sound, enhancing your typing experience. They are also highly customizable. It utilizes a gasket structure with an integrated silicone pad and PCB single-key slotting. This design optimizes resilience and stability, providing a softer and more elastic feel. Multiple layers of filling silencer further enhance the solid feel. The K688 is designed for both work and gaming. It features 16 RGB lighting effects to enhance your gaming atmosphere. You can customize key functions and lighting colors, including music rhythm effects. The keyboard uses MDA profile keycaps for a comfortable feel and appearance. It is compatible with various devices, including PCs, tablets, and consoles, and supports multiple operating systems. The keyboard includes a multifunction knob for volume adjustment by default. You can also use it to adjust the keyboard backlight brightness and switch between lighting modes. What we like. This keyboard provides multi-device connection options, including Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless. It features pre-lubed cream switches for a smooth and thoughtful sound. If you need a versatile keyboard that works across multiple devices and enjoy a unique typing feel, it's a great choice. What people say. Overall, the build quality is pretty good, the functionality is also very good. Giving the option to use with a PC or Mac with a toggle switch between the two. Taking it a step further with having the keys printed with the Mac keys is also very helpful. The device supports up to 3 Bluetooth connected devices and a 2.4 GHz wireless adapter with USB-A. There is a software that can be installed to further customize the keys and RGB options on the keyboard. It was really easy to set up. All I had to do was take the USB dongle out of the keyboard and just plug it into my PC, so it was really easy. It weighs heavy, but not too heavy that it becomes unmovable. You can still move it really easily, but I think the weight kinda adds to the field. The connectivity to my PC is also very instant. RGB is per key and has a good array of defaults. Feels solid. 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth and wired connections. Software isn't invasive and all-consuming. You can change the key switches and a puller is included. Number 1. Redragon K719 Wireless Gasket Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard features a 1.14-inch TFT screen, displaying keyboard information, connection status, and battery life. You can even customize it with GIFs to match your mood. It's all the info you need, right at your fingertips. The K719 uses a gasket design for a softer, cleaner typing experience. This innovative structure reduces noise and provides even feedback. Vertical cushioning makes every keystroke feel crisp and satisfying. With Redragon's advanced tri-mode technology, you can connect this keyboard via USB-C, Bluetooth, or 2.4 GHz wireless. This gives you the flexibility to use it with various devices and in any situation. The K719 features custom Mint Mambo linear switches, pre-lubed for a smooth feel. The gasket form factor enhances the cushioned, creamy typing feedback. The upgraded socket is compatible with most switches. Enjoy a quieter typing experience with the 5-layer noise dampening system. It includes various foams and pads to significantly reduce hollow noise. This creates a comfortable and satisfying typing sound. This keyboard has a 95-key layout that maintains full functionality while being 20% smaller. This compact design provides more desk space without sacrificing any essential keys. The K719 includes a convenient control knob for easy access. You can adjust the backlight brightness and media controls with no hassle. This feature adds functionality without taking up extra space. What we like. This keyboard has a smart info island screen to display keyboard info. The Gasket design provides a softer typing feel. If you are looking for a keyboard with advanced features and a unique design, this one is worth considering. What people say. The keys are perfectly clicky, but cushioned and muted and not too clacky. They respond well. I love that it's Bluetooth and don't have to mess with a cord. The lighting is quality and soft. Seems nicely diffused. It is also solid. Has good weight to it. It's aesthetically pleasing. Love the colors. The little LED screen is an awesome bonus. Just a quality keyboard. I actually am able to type faster on this than my old membrane keyboard. The RGB is way better than I was expecting, it's bright, has tons of modes, and the battery is surprisingly long with it on. Connectivity hasn't been an issue either. I have the USB dongle in my computer, and a Bluetooth link to my phone so I can quickly switch between them if I have a long text to send. The keys are mint switches which I've never tried but I'll never not use again, they feel and sound absolutely amazing. When you're typing away you don't get that loud, audio spiking click like a red or blue switch, you get a solid low thud. It sounds like raindrops hitting a wood roof, you could easily sleep through it. The tactile sensation doesn't even suffer like having a membrane keyboard, it provides a nice balanced resistance force that thuds right when it bottoms out, something that's hard to describe the feel of. The volume knob has a nice tactile feel as well. The little LCD screen is awesome, and surprisingly crisp at a low resolution thanks to its small size. A lot of keyboards have had monochrome screens in them but this one is full color and you can upload your own GIFs to the app, which you'll need to download in order to customize the keys, RGB, and screen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.